Question number 4 of practice set 14. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. We have to find smallest number. So your smallest word is there means we have to find LCM. Let's find LCM of these 5 numbers first. Draw this line with scale and pencil. I am using pen only. Yeah, in this we can see 8, 10 and 20. Maximum numbers are divisible by 2. So we are dividing it by 2. 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 2 10s are. 9 and 15 as it is. Next, see 5, 15 and 10. These are divisible by 5. So 5 1s are, 5 3s are, 5 2s are. 4 and 9 as it is. Now 4 and 2 are divisible by 2 and 9 and 3 are divisible by 3. So we can take either or. I am taking 2. 2 2s are, 2 1s are. 9, 1 and 3 as it is. Again I am taking 2. Then 3. 3 3s are, 3 1s are. And lastly again 3. So 3 1s are 3. Therefore, LCM of these 5 numbers is product of numbers on left hand side. 2 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Let us check. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40, 43s are 120, 123s are 360. Now when we divide 360 from all these numbers, like when we divide 360 by 8, 360 by 9, 360 by 10, then 15 and 20, our remainder will be 0. But what we want remainder 5. We want remainder 5. So I'll write this down here. 360 divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives remainder 0. Therefore, to get remainder 5, what will be the number required? Number required will be 360 plus 5. Like if we add 5 to this 360, then every time when we divide 365, our remainder will be 5. Okay, so this is the required number. Question number 5. Reduce the fraction 348 upon 319, 221, 247, 437, 551 to the lowest terms. Yes, this is the part of division method. We have to find HCF of division by using division method. First one is 348 and 319. Again, bigger number inside, smaller number outside. 319 ones are 319. Now 29, 319 will come inside and 29 outside. 29 is our new divisor. So 29 divided by what number is 319? Let's check. So 29 11s are 319. We got remainder 0, so we will stop here. Therefore, HCF is 29. We have to reduce it to lowest form. Therefore, 348 upon 319 we will divide by 29. 348 divided by 29 is 12. 319 divided by 29 is 11. We saw here. Now this is the lowest form of this fraction. Next, 221 upon 247. Again, bigger number inside, smaller number outside. 221 ones are 221. 221 will come inside here. Let's check 26 eights are in rough column. 26 nines are. So we will take eights are. Now 26 will come inside. We know 13 twos are 26. We got remainder 0, so we will stop here. Therefore, our HCF is 13. Again, we have to make this to simplest form. So we will divide with HCF, that is 13. 221 divided by 13. Let's do it here. 13 ones are 13. 13 sevens are 81. So answer is 17. Next, 247 divided by 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 nines are 117. It's 9. So this is lowest form. Third one, 437 upon 551. Do this as homework. Question number 6. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. If one of the number is 216, what is the other? Means LCM and HCF is given. LCM is 432 and HCF is 72. There are two numbers. Out of that, one number is 216. We have to find another one. So let's write this. LCM is 432. HCF is 72. One number is 216. We have to find another number. We have one property that HCF multiplied by LCM equals product of numbers. So what is HCF? 72. What is LCM? 432. Product of numbers is 216, one number. Another number we don't know, so I am taking here X. Whenever we have to find value of any variable, whatever number we have, we will take it to another side. Now this is multiplication, so when it come onto this side, it will become division. Yes. So from here we can make out 216 ones are 216 twos are 72 into 2 144. Therefore another number is 144. Question number 7 is similar to question number 6. The product of two-digit number, it specifies that both numbers are of 2 digit, is 765. Means we have product. When we multiply both the numbers, it's 765. Their HCF is 3. What is their LCM? We have to find LCM. So what all things we have? HCF 3, product of numbers is 765. What we have to find? We have to find LCM. Again, using same property, HCF multiplied by LCM equal to product of numbers. Therefore, how much is HCF? 3. LCM we don't know, we will write as it is. Product of numbers, we know it is 765. Now remember, this is product of number. Whichever two-digit number is there, directly their product is given here. We do not have to find individual single number. Directly product is being provided here. Now again we have to find LCM. Whatever value number is there with LCM, we will take on to other side and multiplication will become division. Let's divide here. Do this in working column. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. And again 3 5s are 50. So answer is 255. Sum number 8. A trader has 3 bundles of string, 392 meter, 308 meter, 490 meter long. There are 3 bundles. What is the greatest length of the string that the bundles can be cut up into without any leftover string? Greatest. Can you see a word greatest? Means we have to find HCF. Okay. So for that, let us find HCF of these 3 numbers. 392, 308, 490. Now all these 3 numbers, now for HCF we have to use prime factorization. All numbers should be prime on this side. Okay. Yeah. So for HCF, all these 3 numbers are divisible by 2. So I'm taking here 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 2 nines are 18. 2 6 are 12. 2 15s are 30. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 1 carry. 2 5s are 10. Now all these 3 numbers, it should be divisible by one single number. Now which number is that? Since we are finding HCF, so all number here should be prime number. So these 2 are divisible by 2, but this is not divisible by 2. So we will skip number 2. Next is 3. Now we have to check divisibility of 3. Let us see 10, 16. It is not divisible by 3. Then this is also 10. Again not divisible by 3. Then 6 and 5, 11. All these 3 numbers are not divisible by 3. So next prime number is 5. Only 245 is divisible by 5. These 2 are not. So after 5, next prime number is 7. So let us check with 7. Yeah, we don't have specific rule for 7, but yes, these 3 numbers are divisible by 7. You can divide it separately and check. So 7 2s are 14. We have 19 here, 5 carry. 7 8s are 56. Again 7 2s are 14 and 7 2s are 40. 7 3s are 21. 7 5s are 35. In this, these 2 numbers are divisible by 2. and these two numbers are divisible by 7, but all three numbers are not divisible by single number. So we will stop here for HCF, because now these three numbers don't have any common factor. So we will stop here. Therefore, our HCF is 2 into 7. We will multiply this. 2 into 7, that is 14. Now what question says, what is the greatest length of the string? Therefore, the greatest length of string is 14 meter. Since all are in meters, so we will write 14 meter. Okay. Question number 9. Now this is little bit a tricky one, but very simple. It says which two consecutive even number can have an LCM of 180. From this we have only one information, that LCM of two numbers is 180. We know that LCM is 180. It says two consecutive even number. Consecutive even numbers. Consecutive means which come one after another. I'll give you example. Consecutive means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But here it says consecutive even number. Consecutive even number will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. So these are consecutive even number. Among these there are two numbers whose LCM is 180. Now see, when we are finding HCF of even number, remember we know that HCF of two even numbers is always 2. HCF of two even numbers is always 2. So we have LCM, we have HCF. We have one more thing, the property HCF into LCM equals product of numbers. Therefore, 2 into 180 equal to product of numbers. Therefore, 360 equal to product of numbers. This means that the two consecutive even number, when we multiply both of them, their answer should also be 360. Now let us check that. I'll write it here again. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on. Now when product of numbers should be 360. So when we take 2 and 4, so 2 4s are 8. So this is not the number. 2 and 4 is not our answer. Let's move ahead. 8 is very small, so I will move ahead with 8 and 10. So 8 and 10 is 80. Again, it is not 360, so let's move ahead. Again, 80 is very small, so I'm checking with 12 and 14. So 12 multiplied by 14, what will be the product? Let's see, 12 4s are 48, 12 1s are 12 and 4, 168. Again, that is less. Let's check with 16 and 18. So when we multiply 16 and 18, our answer is 288. Again, this is not 360, means 16 and 18 is also not our number. Next, 18 and 20. When we multiply 18 and 20, 18 2s are 36. Yes, we got this 360 here. From which pair? From 18 and 20. So which are the two numbers? The two consecutive even number 18 and 20. Therefore, the two consecutive even numbers are 18 and 20.